might even have stuff that I don't have it because I didn't get that trained. So I want to train you in that, and it starts from the moment that we answer back the phone to the moment that they leave the place and we follow up. So
Yeah, and then we have to have each other's backs. If I lack in something, I mean, tell me about it, say something, but also if I'm lacking and you see that I'm lacking, say maybe there's not a credit card, that I couldn't get a credit card on file and I let them come without a credit card, write it down, get their information and put it on their intake form so that I can get it in the system for future.
okay, I have a solution for that. Whoever is answering the phone, okay? When you're talking to the person and you're writing the notes, you want to put it specific, and I can write it down in our script. Basically, information is what kind of surgery they had, how long ago was it, and if you don't get their credit card on file, put it in that note.
Yeah, no credit card on
No
file.
credit card on file. That way, when we are ringing them up
Yeah.
and they want to pre-book something and they don't prepay,
Yeah,
then we need to have them like reserve a reserve their spot with the credit card. And you might need to write it down why they didn't want to do the credit card.
right. Well, yeah, I have a client who lives in Arizona, came with me, pay cash, and
But
then
see-
pre-booked, and then but wouldn't give me a credit card. She goes, I just prefer to pay cash.
But see, it's very
Well,
interesting.
that's
I
how
had-
Richard was when I asked him if he wanted to buy a package. It was almost like he briefly got offended.
well, the thing is that
We
Yeah,
asked,
have you
we
ever-
can say we're not gonna charge your credit card. We need it on file to guarantee the appointment.
have you ever realized that when you are trying to avoid something to happen, they happen more? Have you ever noticed that? Like, if I'm concerned, so it's almost like your brain manifests what you're concerned. What you think
The
about,
law
you
of
bring it
attraction.
about. Have you heard that? What you think about, you bring about it.
The law of attraction.
Yeah, right? So if I have a concern and I speak from a concern, guess what I'm gonna keep creating? The concern manifests. So I have not have a problem with asking people's credit card or having people no show. And now,
Unless it's 3.
yeah, like it never happened. Like
That's
3,
shitty.
even with the spot, like I never had a therapist like 3 in a row. It's like she had 3 people no show today and 2 of them was confirmed. None of them had credit card on file, none of them answered
Text all
her.
3 of them and no answer.
And they confirmed, like, one of them, you booked it today.
They were, yeah, because she couldn't come tomorrow. She's the one that's flying to Columbia.
But she called you instead of
Yeah.
calling me.
She says if she could change it, and I was like, sure, we'll find work.
Yeah, so we'll address that too, but the point that I want to make is that whatever you have a concern, and you keep putting energy that you don't want that to happen, keeps happening. One of the things that I hate was when people give me $1 or $2 tip. Like, don't even give me a tip, but $2 tip. Like, I had a tip one time. Maybe you shouldn't record this.